Hello friends, I am Gaurang. Today is my video based on current typical situation coronavirus. As a biotechnology or a microbiology student, we should know complete details about the coronavirus. I am trying to my best to give a full information about the coronavirus. Okay, so let's start our video. In this video, first we discuss about the major introduction. After second, characteristics of a coronavirus. Third is structure of a coronavirus. Fourth, process to infect human cells. Fifth one is the mechanism of entry and of virus production. Sixth one is the prevention. Seventh one is the diagnosis, and eighth one is the treatment. Okay, so let's see. In December 2019, a cluster of pneumonia cases in China. There was previously unknown virus, but in 2019, it's known as a novel coronavirus. Then we discussed the reasons behind that it's spreading. First reason is that pangolin animal. Pangolin animal is the first founder of this coronavirus. Second one is Israel works on a biological weapons name is Danisoham, and during this time virus is spreading. Okay. Then discuss about the types. Mainly types of coronavirus is based on their causing symptoms. First one is the respiratory, and the second one is the gastrointestinal. In this video, first we discuss about the respiratory types of a coronavirus. Mainly this type of virus causes common cold of pneumonia. Some causes disease defined below. First one is a SARS-CoV, found in China 2003. SARS means severe acute respiratory syndrome. Second one is a MERS-CoV, found in Saudi Arabia 2012. MERS means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. And 2019 novel coronavirus, found in China 2019 in Wuhan. Okay. See the characteristic. First is called as a zoonotic virus. यहाँ पर zoonotic means जो वायरस एनिमल में से स्प्रेड होता है उसको जूनोटिक वायरस कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पर भी कोरोना वायरस पेंगोलिन एनिमल में से स्प्रेड हुआ है तो उसको भी जूनोटिक वायरस कहेंगे. देन एज वी नो क्राउन लाइक अपीयरेंस सो कॉल्ड देम कोरोना वायरस. थर्ड, सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड एनवेलोप्ड हेलिकल आरएनए वायरस. दिस टाइप ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स वी कैन शो इन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कोरोना वायरस. Fourth is it has no metabolic enzymes, so it cannot be survive outside of a living cells. So this is a common characters of a viruses. And the fourth last one important character is the first 3 atomic scale map finding from teams at the University of Texas. 3D atomic scale map means 3D atomic scale map फॉर्म किया जाता है उसकी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. जो वैक्सीन्स फॉर्म करते हैं उसके लिए उसका एटॉमिक स्केल मैप फॉर्म किया जाता है, और वो फर्स्ट एटॉमिक स्केल मैप फाइंड हुआ था और जो यूनिवर्सिटी ने फॉर्म किया था वो उसका नाम है टेक्सास यूनिवर्सिटी. See the structure of a coronavirus. Here you can see into the image. Kill-like structure is known as a spike glycoprotein. It's mainly basically is a trimer. After that, to inner side, here you can see into the inner side a nucleoprotein. After around this nucleoprotein, membrane protein is observed, and this membrane protein around a protein is known as an envelope protein. Okay, so sequence में देखने जाए तो inner side में nucleoprotein, around the membrane protein and around envelope protein. And envelope protein के around पे जो kill like structure होता है जो adsorption और penetration के लिए यूज होता है उसको हम कहते हैं spike glycoprotein. See the simple process to infect human cells. Once the structure protein enter into the cells and they copy the viral genetic material. Now virus blocks the synthesis of a host cell protein and forces the host cell to construct only viral proteins and copies of viral genetic material. Okay. See the mechanism of entry and a virus production. So first you can see into the image adsorption and a penetration process. Second one is the uncoating. 3A is the transcription. 3B is the RNA replication. Fourth one is the translation, and 5th A and 5th B is to the releasing process. Because so first you understand to the adsorption and a penetration process. During the adsorption process, virus can form a molecular interaction between virus surface glycoprotein and to the receptors. During penetration process, entry of a virus into cells by fusion and to the endocytosis process. Second, uncoating. Virus uncoats inside the cells and release its nucleic acid in the host cell. Now, the nucleic acid undergoes into the replication, transcription and a translation processes. RNA replication. In the replication process, two intermediates are formed. One intermediate genome forms antigenome and the other one makes a new genome. RNA transcription process. Antigenomic RNA which are formed to the RNA replication process, it's converted into the positive chain genome plus mRNA with the help of RNA polymerase enzyme. Translation process. From mRNA goes into the RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum and combined with a ribosome and formed to the viral protein which are helpful for the viruses. At last, with the help of Golgi apparatus, coronavirus can be released. See the prevention. First is covering mouth and nose. Second one is avoiding close contact with those who are sick. Third one is use mask, continuously hand wash and use the sanitizer. Fourth one is avoiding unnecessary contact with animals. See the diagnosis. PCR, polymerase chain reaction, which are totally based on a genetic fingerprint. See the treatment. No specific medication and no vaccines. But here are 3 drugs in a development to fight coronavirus, 2 vaccines and 1 passive vaccine. Okay. Friends, if you are new viewers of my channel and you completely understood that all the topic described in this video, so give a like, press a subscribe button or share it to another. Thank you so much friends.